Hey there, welcome to today's session on managing distractions, a skill that's essential in our fast-paced, notification-filled world. Think of distractions like those pesky little mosquitoes on a summer night, annoying and persistent, but with the right strategies, definitely manageable. Today, we're going to learn how to recognize these mosquitoes and keep them at bay. Let's get started! Understanding distractions. The nature of distractions. Distractions come in many forms, from phone notifications and email alerts to chatty coworkers and our own wandering thoughts. Recognizing what distracts you is the first step in managing them. The impact on productivity. Just like a few drops of ink can cloud a glass of water, even small distractions can significantly disrupt our focus and productivity. Recognizing your personal distractions. Keep a distraction log. For a week, jot down what distracts you and when. It's like keeping a diary of interruptions, and you might start to see patterns. Identifying triggers. Notice what triggers your distraction. Is it boredom, fatigue, or maybe anxiety? Understanding these triggers can help you address the root cause. Strategies to minimize distractions. Create a conducive environment. Tailor your workspace to minimize distractions. This could mean using noise-cancelling headphones, facing away from high-traffic areas, or decluttering your desk. Use technology wisely. Turn off non-essential notifications and try apps that block distracting websites during work hours. Technology can be a distraction, but used wisely, it's a powerful ally. Set specific times for checking emails and social media. Rather than constantly checking emails or social media, allocate specific times for these activities. It's like scheduling regular distraction breaks, mindfulness, and focus techniques. Practice mindfulness or use techniques like the Pomodoro technique, focused work intervals followed by short breaks, to enhance your concentration. Communicate your needs. If you're in a shared space, communicate your need for focus. Sometimes, just letting others know you need to concentrate can significantly reduce interruptions. Building a routine to manage distractions. Establishing a daily routine. Having a consistent routine can help you stay focused and make it easier to manage distractions. It's like having a roadmap for your day. Regular breaks. Incorporate regular breaks into your routine. It seems counterintuitive, but scheduled downtime can actually help you stay more focused during work periods. Self-awareness and adjustment. Be aware of your productivity levels and adjust your strategies as needed. What works one day might not work another, and that's okay. Managing distractions is not about eliminating them completely. That's nearly impossible. It's about recognizing them, understanding their impact, and taking proactive steps to minimize their intrusion into our work and lives. So, armed with these strategies, let's turn our focus back to what matters most. Remember, it's okay to be distracted sometimes. We're only human. What's important is how we bounce back and refocus. Here's to a more focused and productive you.